Welcome to our channel, Learn with Safaa.
In today's lesson, we'll be learning some Arabic words and sentences related to the sense of hearing. Are you ready? Let's get started. In our previous lessons, we have learnt the Arabic word for ear. Yes, that's right.
أذن.
Ear. Now, let's learn how to say my ears in Arabic.
أذناي.
My ears. Give it a try.
أذناي.
Wonderful. In Arabic, to say I have 2 ears, we say
أنا لدي أذنان.
now it's your turn. Say it with me.
أنا لدي أذنان.
Excellent. Now let's learn how to say I use my ears for hearing.
أستخدم أذني لحاسة السمع.
Here, the word
أستخدم.
means I use,
أذني
means my ears,
لحاسة السمع.
means for hearing. Let's say it together.
أستخدم أذني لحاسة السمع.
Moving on to the last one.
أستمتع بسماع زقزقة الطيور بأذني.
I enjoy listening to the birds chirping with my ears.
أستمتع بسماع زقزقة الطيور
I enjoy listening to the birds chirping
بأذني.
with my ears. One last time.
أستمتع بسماع زقزقة الطيور بأذني.
I enjoy listening to the birds chirping with my ears. Don't forget to practice these words and use them in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Learn with Safaa, for more exciting lessons. Until next time.
مع السلامة.